Hello everybody, my name is Miss Birgit and today we get to make some food sculptures in preschool art. So caregivers, just a note of caution, we are using grapes, which can be a choking hazard for younger kids, so this is really suitable for preschoolers age 3 and up. Okay, so what you're going to need is some toothpicks and some grapes, and wash your hands before you start. And then we're just going to put a toothpick in the grape and then stick a grape on the other side. See, that's our basic little thing. And then I'm going to stick another toothpick in there and another grape and another toothpick and another grape. Look, what have I made? What does that look like? Does that look like a triangle? Yeah, it does. So if I want to make a square, I can do that too. So I'm going to put my toothpicks in straight now. And then I'm going to lie it down because it's easier to do it that way. Put another toothpick in. And look, this looks like a square. And now I can just keep building on it. So I'm just going to poke some more toothpicks in here. And then I'm just going to put some grapes between them. And I'm just going to go crazy and build a structure. And I don't know what it's going to look like, and that's kind of the fun. I'll just keep connecting my grapes and see what it looks like when it's finished. You can kind of try and see how tall you can make it go before it all collapses. That would be kind of fun, wouldn't it? Just keep adding more grapes to make a sculpture. Now, sculpture is a piece of art that has 3 dimensions. So instead of paper, which is flat, this is wide and high and deep. So there you go. I made a little sculpture. And you can just keep on building and see how big you can make it. Now you can also use other fruits and vegetables, and you could have fun and try and make little animals like this. See, I used an apple slice and then I used the grapes for legs. So have fun playing with your food and making fun little sculptures. We'll see you next time.